This is my first reaction to the Flying Update Lab. Oh my god. This is actually going to be epic. So, this is the new area. Steampunk Station. Play classic hide and seek while soaring above the clouds. That seems really cool. It's desert. Okay. Whoa. But desert got its first update. Temporary for lab. Okay. Let's see it. What did they add? Balloon. Clouds. Okay. Propeller. Boost ring. I can't buy anymore. Air grabber and wrist ring. Give me a balloon real quick. It's in mobility. What am I doing in weapon? Balloon. Oh, let's go. When you eat it, it literally pops. Code is wings for wings. Dude, this is looking so cool. Ah! I'm dead. Wait, is this just like the most epic way to grind beans? Is just to repeatedly die? So these are actually really cool. They're up here too, but they're 1,200. I have to spend 800 and then another 800, so it's already 1,600 to get both these and another 1,200 to get those. But, whoa! Wait, I got like actual wings on me. Hold on. I think it might just be this. I can't be going crazy, right, guys? So, okay, so you can like push forward to go faster. So you can go up. And then you can go up faster. So this is really cool. I think these a lot, especially because they're wrist devices. So you can also hold things. So that's pretty cool. I like how they designed this map though. And the disappearing platforms, as they're gonna go epic. The only thing is, why couldn't they just make normal disappearing platforms? Why'd they have to be clouds? I mean, I understand clouds, but they could have done platforms too, couldn't they? Dude, this is actually such an epic update. Yeah, no, those are definitely wings. Oh shoot, no! Yeah, see?
You have been kicked from this lobby. He's insane.
Wow, these
Guys, can you
look
help me
pretty
wire
cool.
this?